guys, I'm Nicole. Welcome to Red Panda Cooking.
Welcome back. I wish everyone a happy new year and good health. Let's start off the new year with a healthy dish.
Today we'll be cooking stir-fried mung bean sprouts.
This dish may only have a few ingredients, but it's not easy to get it right.
I'm using rootless mung bean sprouts. The roots can be eaten, but I don't really like the taste. After washing the mung bean sprouts, make sure to dry them properly. If they're not dried properly, the oil would splatter. Heat the stainless steel pan on very high heat. It's important to let the pan become very hot before adding the oil. When the pan is hot enough, the oil will bubble and look like that. Add the sliced bacon first. Just cook for a few seconds before adding the garlic. Cook for a few seconds and add the mung bean sprouts. If the pan is not hot enough, the liquid from the bean sprouts will not evaporate fast enough. The bean sprouts will not be stir-fried and crunchy. After cooking for about a minute, add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Cook and mix well for a few seconds before adding the spring onion. Just mix well and it's done. A good stir-fried mung bean sprout is crunchy on the outside but still juicy on the inside. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.